गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें एंड बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें। Good morning friends, here we can learn how to make attractive text. Step first, open our text editor like Notepad. And then step 2, create our HTML format. Step 3, give a heading for our web page. And then we can use step 4. Step 4 is use B tag for bold text and I tag for italic text. After then we can use U tag for underline text. And then we can reach our next step. Step 6. Step 6. Save our file on desktop with .html extension. After saving our file, we can open our file from desktop. Here we can see our file on desktop. After clicking our file, we can see our output screen. Here we can see our web page is ready and looking attractive. And here we can see the coding of this page. It is very simple and easy, and everyone can learn this. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe and share our channel.